Hello friends, welcome on JJ Learning Classes. I hope you are doing a lot of self-studies, practice and revision. Stay home, stay safe. So let us start with the question here. This is the question number 6 of exercise 1.2 of the very first chapter, real number. So the question is saying that there is a circular path around a sports field. Sonia takes 18 minutes to drive one round of the field, while Ravi takes 12 minutes for the same. Suppose they both start at the same point and the same time and go in the same direction. After how many minutes will they meet again at the starting point? So I hope you got the question here. This question is based on the concept of LCM. So let us see that how we need to solve this question. We see that Ravi takes lesser time, that is 12 minutes, than Sonia to complete one round of the circular path. As they are going in the same direction, they will meet again after some time at the same starting point when Ravi will have completed 3 rounds of that circular path with respect to Sonia. And the total time taken for completing this 3 rounds of circular path will be the LCM of time taken by Sonia and Ravi for completing one round of circular path respectively. The time taken by Sonia for the one round is 18 minutes given to us, and by Ravi we have 12 minutes. So this is what the two numbers we have, 18 minutes and 12 minutes. So we are supposed to find out the LCM of these two numbers. So by prime factorization method, we know that 18 can be written as 2 times 3 into 3, and 12 can be written as 2 times 2 into 3. So we get the LCM of 12 and 18, that is 36 here. 36 is the lowest common multiple of 18 and 12. So we see that after 36 minutes, Ravi and Sonia both are going to meet at the same starting point from where they started. So Ravi will have completed 3 rounds in 36 minutes, and Sonia will have completed 2 rounds, and both are going to meet after 36 minutes at the starting point. So let us understand this by this circular path here. Ravi and Sonia. R is for Ravi and S is for Sonia here. So Ravi has started from this point, the black spot here, and he has started in this direction. So he will have completed 3 rounds, and in the 3 rounds, Ravi will be here itself, right? And Sonia takes 18 minutes, so she will have completed 2 rounds when Ravi will have completed 3 rounds, and both will be meeting with each other at the same point. So this is what you can understand from the diagram also. When Ravi will have completed one round, so Ravi will again come at the same starting point, but Sonia takes 18 minutes. So she will be on the circular path somewhere at this point in when the Ravi will have completed the very first round, Sonia will be here and Ravi will be at this point. Now in the second round, again when Ravi will have completed the second round, he will again come here at the starting point only. But in those 12 minutes, Sonia will be at this point. So Sonia is completing this entire circular path in 18 minutes. So we have divided, the circular path into equal parts. So 6 minutes, then again 6 minutes, then again 6 minutes. So this is what we have divided the circular path into equal parts in equal, time interval completed by Sonia. So here we see that when Ravi will have completed the second round, he will again come at the same point, and Sonia will be somewhere at this place. Again, when Ravi will be completing his third round, so in third round he will again reach at the same point, that is the starting point here. And in the third round, Sonia will be completing this path and she will come here in 12 minutes from this point. So you see that in the third round, it is the third round for Ravi, having completed 3 rounds and Sonia 2 rounds, and they both are going to meet at the same starting point. This is the black spot. So I hope you understood this answer by this diagram as well. So thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe Diesel Learning Classes so that I may keep on uploading such videos for you. Thank you so much. Keep watching, keep learning.